Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn voice assistant on or off on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So head over to the profile of choice. So I'm using the DaveTech profile. So that's my profile right there. But I'm going to go down to manage accounts and then you find the settings. So just click right to get into the settings. Scroll down and you find this option that says voice assistant. Click on it once and now you can turn this on or off. So if you turn this off, you will not be able to use the voice assistant anytime you want in the system. But if you turn it off, you can actually use it to find what to watch, to get info, or to control your TV just by your voice. Mainly, this will be using the button on the remote where you just press the microphone button and hold and speak. So that's how you turn it on. If you do not want it on, just click on this and turn it off. So I'm going to keep mine on because I use my voice a lot to control my Chromecast. Now, if you found that insightful, it was useful, and you have been able to turn off or turn on your Google Assistant, drop a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll show you more tips and tricks on Chromecast.